Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I do my gel nails at home with the ASP Professional Multi-Purpose UV lamp. And this is it right here. Let me take these down so I can show you guys. Let's move the box first. So this is it. I think this retailed for about $60 to $75 at Sally's. Alright. I also got this little mini set. It came with the 2-in-1 dehydrator and cleansing wipe, which is this right here. And then it came with a color. It's called Passion Pink, which is this one right here. And then we have the bonder, top coat, and the base coat. This is just a mini set. I got the mini set just to try it out to see if I would like this brand. This is ASP, the same brand as the lamp. So I think I've been doing my nails for about, let's see, maybe I think about like 3 months. I got this lamp for Mother's Day. This is what I wanted my husband to get me, so I requested this as a gift. And I've been loving it. They usually last me about 3 to 4 weeks, which is good because if you go and get your nails done, it usually lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. I mean, definitely third to fourth week, you can tell that there's a gap between the cuticle and the gel, but still decent to where you can at least go the full fourth week and then redo them. So I'm just gonna get started and show you guys how I do my nails at home. So obviously I'm not gonna use this color because I have this color. This is the Gelish Mini nail polish in Rendezvous. It's like a maroonish, mauvish color. I'm into the fall season right now, and I'm totally digging that color. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this gold color like on the tips of my nails. And this is by ASP. And this is the shade called Twinkle Little Star. It's like a gold glitter. Love this color so much. I've used it on so many other nail looks that I've done. So I'm going to go get started. I'm using this Beauty Secret Pure Acetone to just go ahead and wipe the top of my nails off. And also when I do take my gel polish off, I do use the pure acetone. I just let my hands soak in, and then I go ahead and scrape the top layer off, and then I'm able to get down to the nail polish. So I just go ahead and clean my nails.
In many ways, Bill treated Bonnie as a true love. He showered her with money, paying her rent, buying her 2 cars, a BMW and a Mercedes, and even paying for her breast enhancement surgery.
So that's done. So I am just gonna go take this little nail filer. It's like an old one that I've had, but I'm just gonna go over and file the top of my nails. Just because I find if I do it like this, the gel polish sticks a little better and it doesn't lift or peel. There are times where I've done my nails and in about 2 to 3 days on one side it would lift up, and then I can like just peel the whole thing off. So I find if I do this, kind of sticks to the nail a little bit better.
After she makes the call, she really takes it up a notch, and she starts going.
So I'm just gonna do one hand right now
She'll take pictures
because
outside the house, and then she'll text it to Bill.
that's how I usually do
She'll
it.
text it to the wife and say, ugly, nasty things to the wife.
The two women began engaging in a vicious texting war, exchanging hundreds of nasty messages.
I was just defending myself, and never once did I threaten her. I never once threatened that woman.
Alright, so we got our nails nice and shaped. I did shape them before I started this video, just because I haven't had the gel on for about 2 weeks. I wanted to let my nails grow out,
Very scary. She had to work
and I'm
out
just
all the
giving them a little
pictures
breather
of him and
before
her.
I put another
She was gonna just put those out on
some more
Facebook.
nail
She
polish
had
on.
our address.
So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to start with the bonder, which is this one right here.
Harm on anybody.
So
Never once confronted his kids. I would never threaten anybody in that way.
Bill and Frances decided to get away for a long weekend to try and patch things up. But Hank says Bonnie ruined the trip with her relentless texting.
She went 100 miles an hour, and like in other words, I'm not going to lose this guy because he was going back to more of his family and trying to get away from her.
Hank says Bonnie unleashed a torrent of angry and inappropriate texts, including naked photos of her having sex with Bill. Frances lost it. She physically assaulted Bill and kicked him out of the house.
And she just got up and whooped him.
So that is done, and now we go on to the base coat. Hope it's on.
Bill spent the night at Bonnie's place. The next day was October 10th, 2013.
So I usually just start with my pinky.
Frances and Bonnie were about to unexpectedly meet on a two-lane Texas highway called Loop 1604.
Frances sees her husband drive by on that big blue motorcycle.
Sorry if the TV's so
A few
loud.
seconds later, for
I'm
the
just
first time
like,
ever, she lays eyes
it's a
on
Friday
Frances.
night
This woman
at
who's
home.
ruining her life.
Frances
Doing
had
nothing.
finally had enough and was about to take a turn that led to an accusation of murder.
And she grabs the steering wheel, and she just goes, I'm gonna go confront her.
CoverGirl Clean Foundation, a non-acnegenic, kind-to-skin formula that won't clog pores. It's a lightweight foundation that breathes with you. From CoverGirl.
Now that that is all set, I'm going to stick my hand in here. And I have the timer set for 120 seconds. There is another setting time, which is 180 seconds, but I find that 120 seconds does good for me. So we'll just leave it in there.
Last 12 hours. 12 hours? Who studies that long? Only Mucinex DM relieves wet and dry coughs for 12
Oh, and by the way,
one pill.
these gelish nail polish, I love to go to Sally's and find them when they're on clearance for like $3 to $5. Like I have a whole bunch, cute colors that I've gotten for cheap because I'm cheap and I don't want to spend the whole $10 when I can get 2 for $10 clearance, if you know what I mean. So that just makes more sense to me. That's just me, but you do you.
Or lines with unlimited data for $100 a month.
That makes 10 million and one smiles on Cricket.
There's 4 of us, so
Oops, sorry.
5.
4.
Point is, you got a deal. Join over 10 million customers smiling on Cricket.
Jimmy John's is buying someone a house so they can deliver them a sandwich. Read the legal copy below if you must, but we assure you, it will be a real house. Enter to win at jimmyjohns.com, because sandwich.
Wherever you are, whatever you're craving, and whenever you're craving it, DoorDash has the restaurants you want, delivered to your door, wherever your door happens to be. Download DoorDash, the most restaurants across America.